It's Tuesday 31st December, and the markets are closed the year on a flat note. Benchmarks are navigating cautious terrain, with sectoral performances offering a mix of highs and lows. Stay tuned for the final updates shape today's trading session. The Nifty closed nearly flat at 23,644, down just 0.1 points, while the Sensex dropped 109 points to end at 78,139. Market breadth leaned positive, with 2,325 stocks advancing against 1,648 declines. The IT index was the day's biggest drag, while pharma and PSU bank indices saw modest gains. The oil and gas index also advanced, supported by hopes of a rural demand revival. Bharat Electronics, ONGC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Trent, and Coal India led the gains, boosting market sentiment. Conversely, Adani Enterprises, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys, and Shriram Finance were the top laggards, weighing on the indices. The Indian rupee hit a record low for the sixth consecutive session, closing at 85.6150 to the US dollar on Tuesday, marking a 2.8% decline in 2024. This weakness mirrored a broader decline in Asian currencies. The US dollar strengthened amid a hawkish Federal Reserve stance and expectations of President-elect Donald Trump's policies. Indian benchmarks, despite strong early gains, underperformed global peers in 2024. The Nifty 50 and Sensex rose 8.8% and 8.2%, respectively, but entered correction territory in November due to slowing earnings growth and significant foreign outflows. Domestic support and political stability helped, but the late-year downturn capped annual gains. Mirae Asset Mutual Fund has launched the Mirae Asset Small Cap Fund, an open-ended equity scheme focused on small-cap stocks. The NFO will be open for subscription from 10 January to 25 January, with the scheme reopening for continuous sale and repurchase on 3 February. Investors looking to capitalize on the growth potential of small-cap stocks can consider this. The broader markets showed positive movement today, with the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 edging up by 0.02%, while the Small-Cap 100 gained 0.69%. This outperformance reflects growing interest in small-cap stocks, signaling robust market participation and a shift toward broader market segments. Spot gold rose 0.15% to $2,609 per ounce. Gold prices were poised to close a record-breaking year on a high note, bolstered by robust central bank buying, geopolitical tensions, and monetary policy easing. As one of the standout assets of 2024, gold has surged over 26%, marking its largest annual gain since 2010. The Citigem India IPO closed with an overwhelming response on day 3, achieving a total subscription of 393.22 times. Retail investors drove the demand, subscribing 543 times, while non-institutional investors showed interest with 277 times subscription. The IPO aims to raise 13 crore rupees, with shares soon to debut on the BSE SME platform. The Standard Glass Lining Technology IPO opens on 6 January 2025, with a price band of Rs 133 to 140 per share. The issue size is Rs 400 to 410 crore, and proceeds will be used for debt repayment, capital expenditure, and subsidiary investments. Allocation: 50% for QIBs, 15% for non-institutional investors, and 35% for retail. Oil prices saw a modest uptick on Tuesday, with Brent crude rising by 0.2% to $74.10 per barrel and WTI also gaining 0.35%, trading at $71. The boost came after positive data revealed that China's manufacturing sector expanded in December. However, despite the rise, both benchmarks are on track to close lower for the second consecutive year. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.